Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another show. Welcome to another show. This is how we roll. Welcome to the Rose channel, alright? Alright, so to begin, I got my coconut and I'm about to do my thing. But you know, coconut, we gotta save the juice, alright? Very, very good juice. Alright, so I'm gonna crack my coconut, get the water out. Alright, so we crack the shell, flip it open. You know, chefs always prepare. Yeah, so we're going to get that good old water. We're going to save it. Alright, see all that goodness. Point, it's important to have a knife that is not sharp. So you know, an eating knife, it's better, safer for the hands. So we're gonna extract the meat from the hard shell, just like that. And we get it, put them over here, because you know you gotta wash. All right, so I got my coconut all washed up and I got it draining. And like I said, this is the good stuff, coconut water. You just want to put this on the fridge to chill for a little bit, and then that's the best water you'll ever drink. So this is what I'm going to do now with the coconut. I'm going to extract all the brown from the back, you know. So we're going to have it all white because we're making white grater cakes. So we're gonna do like this. Clean it up a little bit. Or I can probably use my little magic knife like that. Yep, there we go. Right, so we're going all white. It's an all white party. Okay, so we got all the brown skin removed from the coconut. And I'm about to do something right now that I haven't done for like 10-15 years. I can't even remember how long ago. I'm about to use a grater. Can you even imagine Jeffrey using a grater? But anyway, this is how we roll. Alright, so we're gonna grater some coconut now. And it's just like that. Just like riding a bike, it comes right back to you, alright? Yeah. This is something we used to do every Sunday morning in Jamaica. Grate a coconut to cook rice and peas. I know we're doing it for different reasons. Alright, so here we go. I'm on the last touch. So, and I'm gonna stop it like right there because I don't want to lose my fingers. Alright, so coconut all grated up. Alright, so here we go. We on the, you say, third stage of what we're doing right now. So I got my pot preheat, real hot. So I'm just gonna baste it with a little bit of water. And I'm gonna apply some garlic. Oh no. No, sorry, not garlic, some ginger juice. Reason for the ginger juice, I don't want the grater cakes to get dark, so I'm just using the juice that we extract from the ginger instead of the ginger. Alright,
that's
so
strong enough.
It's strong? Alright, so catching a little ginger flavor. A little rose water flavor, you know, Jamaican style. Just pour it in the top and just bam, ta-da, problem solved. All right. Right now I'm just trying to catch all the flavor, you know, into the coconut before I add. Alright, so I'm gonna apply it. Yeah. I'm gonna apply water now. You don't wanna add too much water, you just wanna apply enough water to cook the coconut, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so we're just gonna let this cook a little bit, let the coconut cook a little bit, and then we'll apply our sugar. You cannot add the sugar too soon because you don't want it to get too tight too quick. Alright, so now I'm applying some sugar, some sweetener, and this is also used as a holding agent. It's like an hardener, and this is gonna help to.
Partner.
No man, partner. Working a favor here, man. It's gonna help to hold the coconut together, so it's a form of holding agent, like I said, a hardener. And I'm working with 2 average size coconuts, so I'm pretty much think I'll be adding about, I'll say about maybe a pound of sugar.
1 pound?
Yeah, roughly a pound. We'll see as we do it. This is something you gotta just do as you go along. Do it and you test it, do it and you test it. Yeah, so pretty much now, you know, see it's going down, so I'm just waiting for that juice to reduce a little more, and then we'll start, you know, dropping it and making the shape. So yeah, that's the sugar and the coconut working. Record. Alright, so we're into the final stage now. We see that? Start holding together. That's all the goodness right there. That's the trick of the sugars, like a holding agent. So once you see it sticking onto the side of the pan like that, you know, yeah, it's good and ready to drop. So we're gonna drop it now. Alright, so here we go. We're coming in hot, and we're dropping. Drop it like it's hot, yeah. Alright, so we're just catching a shape right now. So, you know, primary school days and stuff, yeah, we used to crazy about stuff like this. Grater cake, drops, what the other one called again?
Gizzardo.
Gizzardo, yeah. We used to crazy about those stuff. Which these were the cheapest stuff that we could afford anyway with our little lunch money. Alright, so this is not a must. This is like if you want to, we just, you know, approach it with a little bit of color, just for a little beauty. Alright, so that's what the finishing touch looks like. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so how we rose cook. There's the finishing touch of my grater cakes. I got some straight white, you know, some red and green. So yeah, that's the finishing touch, and that's our Jamaican grater cake. This is just like one of the Jamaican grater cake. You got the straight brown, and one of these days we'll get into that video. So thank you all for watching our video. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to like and share, okay? Peace out.